Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel 1M90 and this is Amit. So this video is in continuation with my earlier WordPress tutorial series. So earlier we had a brief introduction about the WordPress and its advantages and uses. So in this particular video, we shall be concentrating on how do we install WordPress on a local box. So I assume that, so in case if you are a Windows user, I assume that you might be having a WAMP or a XAMPP installation in your machine already set up. If you are unaware about how do we set up the WAMP or XAMPP, do let me know in the comment section below so that I can make a separate video for that. So if you are a Mac user, I think you might be having a MAMP instance, or if you're a LAMP user, so if you're a Linux user, you might be having a lamp setup like individually on a Linux machine. So without wasting much time, let us head to the MySQL Workbench. So MySQL Workbench is basically the client in order to access the MySQL databases. So I'm using this MySQL Workbench. So there is also a Windows and a Linux clients also available for this particular MySQL Workbench. So you can go ahead and just download them. It's just a simple and easy installation steps that is available. So what I have done is I have created a empty schema here. If you see, there is nothing in. So this is an empty schema. I have named this as a WordPress. So go ahead and create a schema which is empty in your MySQL Workbench. If you want, you can also create using command prompt as well, so that doesn't make any difference. So ultimately you should be having the a database schema that is created. So once this is done, head to wordpress.org. So once you are here, click here on download WordPress. So I've clicked download WordPress. So I'll say go ahead and click on this. So until it's downloaded, let us go to my let me go to my application directory, and in that, since I'm a Mac user, so I'll be having a MAMP setup over here. So under MAMP I have htdocs. So let me create a folder. So hang on, let me not create it. So because once I extract, it automatically creates a folder, and let me just rename that. So let us wait till it gets downloaded. It's almost done. So show in Finder. So let me copy this and let me paste it over here. So let me unzip it. So basically this will be a zipped version. So let me unzip this to my applications, MAMP, htdocs, and let's say unzip. So this is unzipped. So let this be let me not rename it, let that be uh, WordPress itself. So I have deleted that, the earlier one, and the zip version of WordPress installation. So once this is done, so let me see if I have my MAMP running. So yes, it is running. Localhost. So by default it's 8888, and I'll be typing in WordPress, which is the folder or the directory name. So once it loads, so once your server is on and once your setup is in there, so this is how it prompts. This will start the setup. So now the setup has started. So let me select English United States and let me hit continue. So it says welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, we need some of the information on the database. So you'll need to know the following items before proceeding. So that is what we did. We had we had a database name, username, password, host, etc. So the database name is WordPress. I think that is what I have given. Yes, it's WordPress. So my database username, and this is my database password, and this is the database host, that is localhost. So if you want a table prefix, you can give whatever, and if you don't want, then you can ignore it. So let me just give the default whatever is in, and I'll say submit. So and it says, and once you hit submit, it checks whether the provided information is right or wrong. So if it's right, then it'll navigate to the other step. I mean, it's step 2, if you can see over here. So it says, all right, Spike, you have made it through. So the part of the installation, WordPress can now communicate with your database. If you're ready, time now to run the install. Let's hit run the install. Cool. So I have run the install. So this is asking me for the site title. I'll say WordPress tutorial. I'll say username. Password, I'll keep it as admin itself, so that's fine. So if you type in the weak password, it asks for the confirm use of weak password. So let me key in my email just in case if it's required, if I forget the password or something of that sort. uh, so this is basically the search engine visibility. So because since it's my local setup, so it's so you can keep it checked or unchecked, that really doesn't matter. And now I'll say install WordPress. So and it's done, it's so quick. So let's log in. So this is the login screen. So basically, if you are I mean if you have the WordPress installed, you can either type wp-admin, so basically which redirects you to this particular screen itself, or you can also type wp-login.php. So this also gets redirected to this particular page itself. So let me just key in my username and password that I had given while installing this WordPress instance. So I'll say login. Cool. So you now have the WordPress installed on your machine. So far so good. I mean, if you faced any kind of issues, if you are facing any kind of issues, so do let me know in the comment section below, so that we can resolve this quickly and move forward. So before I conclude this, I would like to just have a quick round of glance at the directory structure. So this is the WordPress, basically the directory, the installation folder, the source directory. So you have wp-admin. So this is basically admin, admin related code, the core WordPress code. So basically we will not be modifying anything under this, so keep that in mind, guys. So the other thing is wp content. So let's go inside. So here you find two particular directories, which is plugins and themes. So whenever you download any plugin, they are extracted to this particular plugin folder. So I mean, there are we'll see, look into how do we install a plugin when we move forward. But just keep in mind, whenever we install a new folder, either from wp admin, that is admin dashboard, or manually. So this is the this is the source directory of the plugins folder. So keep that in mind, just keep that just in mind for now. So whenever the same thing applies to the themes folder. Whenever we install the themes folder, so they reside in this particular directory. So we can install the themes in multiple ways, either download them manually, as a zip, and then extract it over here, then go ahead and install it from a wp admin. So we shall see that moving forward. So this is, I mean, we will be focusing mainly on these particular two directories for now. So in this whole tutorial, basically we will be only focusing on these two directories, plugins and themes. So as I have told in my earlier video, so we will be creating a custom theme, and also we will be creating a custom plugin as well. So I guess so that's it for this video. And I guess you guys have all the basic things required for your WordPress installation setup, say be it a WAMP, MAMP, XAMPP, LAMP, whatever. So I hope you guys will be able to successfully have this installed on your machine. And yeah, so in the next section, so we shall be concluding this particular video here. So in the next section, what we will be doing is we will be going and exploring the WordPress admin dashboard, or WordPress admin backend, whatever it is called as. It's also referred to as WP admin, WordPress backend, WordPress admin. So these are all the terminologies which is this is referred to. So we shall be exploring this WP admin. We shall be navigating across all these posts, medias, comments, appearance, so, and some basic some hacks or something of such sort. So yes, so we shall be concluding this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then please do subscribe to my channel. So like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. So stay tuned for my next video. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks. Bye. Cheers.